Is your car's AC blowing barely cold no matter how high you turn the fan? Don't waste money on expensive repairs. Your AC might be totally fine. I've got 17 easy tricks that'll make your AC blast ice cold again, and most cost less than $15. Stay with me. The first trick will shock you and save you big on repairs. Tip 17. Use Recirculation Mode to cool. Twice as fast, one of the most powerful but often overlooked tricks is switching your AC to Recirculation Mode. Think about this. When you blast your AC with fresh outside air, your system is forced to cool air that can be well over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, especially in summer. That's a ton of work. But when you flip to Recirculation Mode, your car starts recycling the cooler air inside the cabin, instantly cutting down the workload on your compressor. Real-world tests show this can drop vent temps by almost 50%, letting your AC blast icy cold air much faster. This simple button doesn't just make you cooler, it protects your compressor, saves fuel or battery range in electric vehicles, and even blocks out allergens and pollution when driving in heavy traffic. Just remember, crack open fresh air occasionally in winter to avoid foggy windows. Tip 16. Seal the radiator to condenser gap to stop hot air leaks. Ever notice your AC feels icy on the highway but weak when stopped? The culprit might be a tiny but crucial gap between your radiator and condenser. Even a gap as small as an inch can let up to a third of your fan's airflow sneak around the condenser instead of through it, meaning your AC refrigerant cooks instead of cools. The fix is simple and cheap. Pick up some closed-cell foam weather stripping for about $10 and seal that gap. Clean the surfaces with isopropyl alcohol first, then stick the foam in place. Some drivers have reported vent temps dropping 10 to 15 degrees after this fix. No recharge or repair needed. Tip 15. Insulate the suction line under your hood. Under your hood, there's a thick rubbery pipe called the AC suction line. It's usually near the firewall and should be icy cold during operation. But when it heats up from the engine bay's heat, it silently steals cooling power. Wrapping this suction line in a reflective or foam sleeve acts like a koozie for your AC, blocking heat before it can sap your cooling efficiency. This $10 trick can improve your vent temps by 3 to 5 degrees, and it's so effective that manufacturers like Mercedes and Toyota already insulate these lines at the factory. Tip 14. Clear your AC's drain hose to avoid ice buildup. There's a little rubber drain hose under your car that removes water from your evaporator. If this hose clogs, which happens from dirt, leaves, or just time, water gets trapped and freezes your coil, causing your AC to blow cold air for a few minutes, then stop completely until the ice melts. Clearing this hose is easy and free. Just slide under your car, find the rubber hose near the transmission pan, gently squeeze it, and if needed, poke through the clog with a soft plastic straw or weed trimmer line. Never use metal to avoid damage. Once cleared, many drivers report an immediate 5 to 7 degree improvement in cooling. Tip 13. Clean the cabin blower motor for better airflow. Behind your glove box is the blower motor fan, the part that pushes air through your AC system. Over time, debris like dust, pollen, pet hair, and even leaves can build up on the fan blades. This buildup reduces airflow by as much as 20%, making your vents blow weaker and warmer air. As a result, your AC system has to work harder, putting unnecessary strain on the compressor and reducing overall cooling efficiency. Luckily, cleaning the blower motor is a simple DIY task. Start by removing the glove box to access the blower, unbolt the motor, and carefully vacuum the fan blades using a brush attachment. It's an easy weekend project that takes less than an hour. Many drivers notice immediate results, with vent temperatures dropping by as much as 5 degrees Celsius. This quick fix can improve comfort, extend the life of your AC, and save money without needing to add refrigerant. Tip 12. Make sure your active grille shutters open fully. Many modern cars use active grille shutters in front of the radiator and AC condenser to improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. These shutters automatically open and close based on speed and engine temperature. However, if they get stuck closed or partially closed due to dirt, debris, or mechanical failure, airflow to the condenser is restricted, causing your AC to struggle and blow warmer air. A quick inspection with a flashlight or a freeze spray test can help spot the issue. Cleaning out debris, lubricating the hinges, or even zip tying the shutters open in hot months can restore airflow. This simple fix can drop vent temps by 10 to 12 degrees and prevent your compressor from overworking or overheating. Tip 11. Keep your engine idle, speed in check. If your AC blows warm air when stopped at a red light, the problem might be low engine idle speed. When idle drops below around 700 RPM, your alternator slows down, voltage dips, and your AC compressor doesn't get the power it needs to run efficiently. This is especially common in older vehicles or those with dirty throttle bodies. Cleaning the throttle body and resetting the idle can restore proper airflow and electrical stability. Once your idle holds steady around 750 RPM, your AC system can perform properly, delivering consistently cold air, even at a complete stop. It's a simple fix that can dramatically improve cooling comfort during summer traffic. Tip 10. Fix worn door. Seals and weather stripping, cracked or flattened door seals act like invisible holes, letting hot, humid air sneak into your cabin. This makes your AC work overtime to dry and cool the cabin, slowing down cool-down time and raising vent temps by up to 7 degrees. Replacing worn weather stripping or using a $15 DIY bulb tape fix can seal your cabin tight, cutting off the sneaky heat and making your AC's job much easier. Tip 9. Clean or replace the ambient temperature sensor. Your car's AC system relies on an outside air temperature sensor, usually located under the front grille, to determine how hard it should cool. If this sensor gets dirty, corroded, or damaged, it can start reading temperatures that are higher or lower than the actual outside air. A false high reading tricks the system into thinking it's already cool enough, so it reduces compressor output and fan speed. The result? Lukewarm or weak airflow, even when your AC is fully charged. Gently cleaning the sensor with electronic safe cleaner or replacing it entirely, typically under $40, can fix the issue. This simple step can improve vent temperatures by up to 10 degrees and restore strong, cold air from your AC almost instantly. Tip 8. Turn off Eco Mode for maximum cooling. That Eco or Econ button on your dashboard might seem harmless, but it quietly limits your AC's performance to save fuel or battery life. When activated, Eco Mode reduces compressor output, slows down the fan, and allows warm air to mix in with the cold air sooner. This helps with efficiency, but it also means your car won't cool down as fast, or as much. If you want the coldest air possible, especially during extreme heat, turn Eco Mode off. You'll often feel a difference of 5 to 9 degrees almost instantly, which is especially noticeable in hybrids and EVs, where energy-saving settings are more aggressive. For maximum cooling, skip the savings and enjoy the comfort instead. Tip 7. Apply high-quality window tint, or UV film car windows let in over 50% of the sun's heat, turning your cabin into an oven on hot days. Installing quality ceramic or infrared reflective window tint helps block most of that heat before it enters your vehicle. This type of tint can lower interior temperatures by up to 20 degrees, easing the load on your AC system without needing to crank up the fan. As a result, your car stays cooler, your AC runs more efficiently, and you save fuel and battery power. It's a smart upgrade that improves comfort, protects your interior, and helps your cooling system work less. Tip 6. Replace weak AC relay and check voltage drop. A small $15 relay under your car's hood plays a crucial role in powering the AC compressor clutch. Over time, this relay can wear out or develop corrosion, causing a drop in voltage. When that happens, your compressor doesn't receive enough power to fully engage, even if your refrigerant levels are perfect. The result? Weak or warm airflow from your vents. Many people mistake this issue for a major AC failure, but it's often just the relay. Replacing the old relay and cleaning the electrical terminals is a quick and affordable fix that can restore full compressor function. In many cases, this simple step brings your AC system back to life and makes a huge difference in cooling performance. Tip 5. Replace the cabin air filter. Regularly, a dirty cabin air filter can cut your AC's airflow by up to 40%. forcing the system to work harder and making it tougher to cool your car. Over time, dust, pollen, and debris clog the filter, restricting ventilation and allowing musty odors to spread through the vents. Replacing the filter once a year, or sooner if you notice a bad smell, is a simple, inexpensive fix that can improve airflow and lower vent temperatures by 5 to 10 degrees. It also helps your AC deliver cleaner, fresher air, improving both comfort and air quality during your drive. Tip 4. Cap off heater core. Hoses in hot climates. Your car's heater core remains hot all year, constantly circulating 200-degree coolant behind the dashboard, even in the middle of summer. In very hot climates, this radiant heat can sit close to your AC system, reducing its ability to cool the air effectively. One simple way to combat this is by capping off the heater core hoses during the summer months. This blocks the hot coolant from reaching the core, reducing unwanted heat buildup near your vents. Tip 3. Tighten HVAC. Blend door, actuator, screw. Over time, the small screw securing your HVAC blend door actuator can loosen from constant vehicle vibrations. When this happens, the blend door may shift out of position, allowing unwanted hot air to mix with your cold airflow. This simple misalignment can significantly weaken your AC's cooling performance. Fortunately, the fix is quick and easy. Tightening that tiny screw takes just 30 seconds and can make a noticeable difference in cold air output. Tip 2. Recharge refrigerant to factory levels. Your car's AC system naturally loses about 7% of its refrigerant each year, even without any visible leaks. This slow loss can cause your vent temperatures to rise by as much as 15 degrees, making your drive less comfortable. Tip 1. Use your AC properly for best cooling. How you use your AC plays a big role in its performance. Instead of turning it to full blast right after starting your car, wait a minute. This gives the engine time to warm up and allows the refrigerant to circulate properly through the system. Jumping straight to maximum cold can strain the AC and reduce efficiency.